All right, right now is the best time to start making money with affiliate marketing, and it's in 2025. Why? Because affiliate marketing is projected to earn anywhere around up to $37.3 billion in 2025. And I'm looking here actually on Google inside of their Gemini or whatever it is, looking at the affiliate marketing income projection for 2025. And affiliate marketing remains a growing and viable income source in 2025, driven by the expansion of e-commerce and digital services. The industry is experiencing significant growth. Several trends are shaping the future earning potentials for affiliates. The overall market projection: global affiliate marketing industry is projected to reach $37.3 billion in 2025 alone. That's enough reason right there for you to start your affiliate marketing journey. And it's on track right here. If you look below, it's on track to hit 48 billion by 2027 with an estimated CAGR of 14.7% in 2025 and 14.3% in 2026. Okay. U.S. affiliate marketing spending is expected to reach 11.2 billion in 2025. So if you're not into affiliate marketing and you want to get into affiliate marketing, now is a good time to start doing that and then investing in learning the skills of affiliate marketing. Okay. The income can vary significantly based on the experience, niche, and the strategy, which is right here. Beginner affiliates may earn $0 to $1,000 per month, while experienced marketers can earn $10,000 to $100,000 per month in income. And if you're doing a SaaS, software as a service, such as, the Home Business Academy or Go High Level or something like that, you can earn residual income with those types of affiliate marketing. SaaS to me, because online businesses need services like the Home Business Academy, which is a funnel builder. They need services like, Go High Level, which is a funnel builder, website builder, all in one complete marketing center. Okay. The average affiliate marketer earns around $8,000 per month, but this is skewed by top earners. Okay. Top niches, like, here we go. The niches: education, learning, can be $15,000 per month average. Travel, $13,807 per month average. Finance, $9,000. Okay. Offer high potential earner. However, it says 95% of new affiliate marketers fail or quit, highlighting the need for strategic effort and consistent value creation. In other words, when a lot of people start affiliate marketing because they don't make money fast, the first thing they do is quit, because they expect to come into affiliate marketing and think you're going to make money the same day or the next day, and it does not work that way. There are a lot of factors that take part in learning affiliate marketing. You have to know who your target audience is. You have to know what niche do you want to get in. Okay. Who's your target audience? Who's your ideal customer? Who do you want to work with? Where are they congregating? Where are they hanging out at? Facebook, YouTube, where are those people that you think you have to create traffic? You don't have to create traffic because the traffic is already there. You just need to get in front of them. That's why I love creating YouTube videos, because YouTube is a search engine. People go on YouTube searching for ways to start affiliate marketing. So I like to do YouTube videos. I do some Facebook, a little bit of that, but not a whole lot. I rather do YouTube videos. Okay. That's just me. If you look at the trend and shaping potential, mobile first is essential. Over 50% of affiliate traffic and 70% of conversion occur on mobile devices, according to them. I'm not sure about that. That may be the case, but I'm not going to argue with the statistics because, hey, they know. Influencer marketing is crucial. Integrating influencers into affiliate strategies can boost your sales by 46%. AI tools are streamlining operation. 79.3% of affiliate marketers use it to automate content creation, optimize their campaigns. New niches are emerging: eco-friendly products, online education, B2B SaaS offers are growing. Okay, all of that information is in here. Okay, you can elaborate on the beginning strategy, so you can go do your own, research in here. But SaaS, anything that's SaaS, software as a service, is a trending deal. Go High Level, the Home Business Academy, ClickFunnels, something like that. Other software as a services as well can get you going in affiliate marketing. And what I love to do, I love to be an affiliate marketer for companies that have both one-time sales and residual income built in on top of it. I like to promote affiliate products that have where you can earn 100% commission. Whether that 100% commission be $7, it makes no difference to me. If it's $97, if it's 100% commission. I'm a part of one affiliate marketing company. I earn 200% commission, meaning if someone buys a $7 product, I earn $14. Plus there are residual income offers in there as well, and high ticket sales. Okay, so if you want to become a beginner affiliate marketer, now is the time for you to join an affiliate marketing business. Now, the one that I'm recommending that you join right now is called the Affiliate Bootcamp by Russell Brunson. Now, Russell Brunson is the co-owner of ClickFunnels, a $1 billion company, which means a lot of people are using ClickFunnels. A lot of businesses are using ClickFunnels. So you can become an affiliate for ClickFunnels and promote it inside of this system. So inside this system, there are 6 income streams that you can earn depending upon, how you come in, if you decide to take the upsell on that. Okay. And the income streams are the Affiliate Bootcamp itself. Right here, you can earn $7 or you can earn $97. Now, this $7 per month means it's residual as long as somebody keep paying, or it's $97 one time. But remember, that is if you decide to get the upsell, so you can earn a 100% commission, which means you have to go through the super affiliate verification process. Okay. Now, there's ClickFunnels in here. When someone gets that, this is residual income, 40% commission month after month. Get 100 users, they'll pay for your dream car, your lease dream car. Offer Lab, this is one-time offering here, plus some other residual income in here as well. Secret of Success is another income stream. The 1357 Club is another income stream. Udemy is another income stream. This is a traffic source. WAP is another income stream. Okay, so if you become the super affiliate, you get 3 additional income streams. Okay, the 100% commissions are unlocked only when you complete the associated training. Please complete the training ASAP to unlock 100% commission on the Affiliate Bootcamp funnel and its initial offers, including. Now, this is what you're going to get, with the Affiliate Bootcamp. 100% commission if you become the super affiliate. You'll be earning $7 per month depending on how the person comes in. If they continue to pay month after month and you are a super affiliate, you earn $7 per month, or you earn $97 upfront, 100% commission every time somebody joins. The same when they upgrade to the super affiliate status. That would be $97 you would earn. Affiliate Clipping Secret, that would be $197 you would earn. And the Conversation Domination is $297 that you can earn. So you have residual incomes built inside of here as well. So you can do that. That's totally up to you. So you have Prime Corporate Services. This is an outside thing. But you earn in here as well. Voomly is a residual income. This is one of Russell Brunson product, and BT Bottom BPT is another product. This is an AI tool that you can use for funnel hacking. So this is the affiliate program that I'm recommending that you join right now. Remember, this is a $37.3 billion in 2025. Are you going to get a piece of the pie? Do you want to get a piece of the pie? If you do, I highly recommend that you click the link that's in the description below. Come to this page right here. Watch this video. You're going to see what you're going to get with the affiliate bootcamp, and you're going to see the bonuses that you're going to get from me, over $1,179 value. You simply click the join now button. This form is going to pop up. Enter your name and your email, your correct information, and click the join now. It's going to take you to this page right here. Watch Russell Brunson explain how everything is work, how the old way of affiliate marketing is dead. You want to get in the new way, okay, which is having an ecosystem built around several products where you only promote one link. Then you simply click right here, join the affiliate bootcamp. You can either do the lifetime, $97 one-time membership, or you can do $7 per today, then it's $7 per month. So go ahead on, click the link in the description to get started. Also check the pinned comment. I will have a link down there for you as well. If you have any question, leave me a comment below. I want you to join with me in affiliate bootcamp, get access to my bonuses, get in this system and start learning how to do affiliate marketing the correct way. Okay. Now, one more thing before I leave you. Inside of here, under the start here, you're going to have all of this training, Partner with Russell, all of this training right here. You're going to go day by day. It locks. It won't open until the next 24 hours. All of my videos that you can get access to and watch inside of here. Plus, if you become super affiliate verified, you're going to earn all of these right here. All of this training you get access to as well. You can pick one of the strategies in here to start learning affiliate marketing, doing things that's going to help you be successful in 2025. Click the link in the description. Come to this page. Come to this page right here. Watch the video. Click the join now button. Enter your information. Come to the affiliate bootcamp and get signed up. Get started below. I look forward to working with you. I want you to have a great day today and a better day tomorrow. Peace.